Hello friends, this is Prema from Digital Spiritual Space. Once again welcoming you for this talk show. Today I'm going to show you some easy way of taking steam inhalation at home using some herbs and things which are available at home. And as I said in the earlier video, if we can do one inhalation a day, steam inhalation in the morning and one gargle in the night, that itself will keep the pandemic away, the disease away. Like this, you can help yourself and you can help all the people at home. Come, let's see what are the ingredients that we can use for steam inhalation to be more effective in this pandemic situation. Normally what we use at home, I'm showing you only that, and what I've learned from my elderly people who have told me some tips and tricks. Anybody can give the tips and tricks to is welcome in this pandemic period if you have something to share that can be useful for other people. Okay, these are the herbs that were grown in my pot in my terrace garden. So this is called tutti or tumbai. These leaves that we give offer for Ganesha also. These leaves, and this is called Vibhuti Patrai. Okay, the aroma of this is amazing, like a different variety of tulsi itself. This is okay, and this is the tulsi that what we use for our puja. Okay, all these three herbs, what I'll do is boil water, add these herbs into the water, boil it, take the steam. If you have a colander or a jali kind of a thing, you can put it on top and each one can inhale slowly. But don't make sure that you don't sweat and put it inside that. Keep a towel. All you need is not the whole face. You should inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, or inhale through your mouth and exhale through your nose, so that nothing goes inside from your nose or from your throat. So this we can do for steam. And again, what you can do is the other each day you can use different kind of thing. You can do this the steam inhalation even with plain water. All that is, you need that temperature kind of a water that goes to the nasal passage and the throat. But added these have their medicinal value and they have their own properties that fights the viral. So this is the one day if you're doing it with herbs, you can do other day with all these things that we have in our masala box. Okay, these are cloves, and this is ajwain, what we call it homam also, and this is pachkarpur, or you can use even Vemsen camphor. Okay, all these things you can add in water, nicely boil it. Again, you can take the steam of this. Very aromatic and very soothing, relaxing effect you will get with this. And then you can have one more steam inhalation with water. Boil the water. Turmeric. Make sure the turmeric is ground at home, or you buy the raw turmeric and then you give it in the mill and grind it. Don't use the packaged ones. This is the rock salt, sea salt. So this we can use in water again. Boil it, steam, take steam. All these are very effective, and this especially I would say that every night before going to sleep, after all everybody is finished their dinner, you can use this salt and turmeric in add it to the boiling water, then let it come down to a temperature where we can take it in our mouth, and then gargle nicely. You could until the water goes to the throat, gargle nicely and spit it out. You do this every day without fail. This one and the steam inhalations every day. Each and every person follows this. No virus can enter through your mouth nor your nose. So when we do this regimen protocol in the house every day, I think you can keep the disease away. Hope these, and you can even use eucalyptus leaves, guava leaves, neem leaves. All these leaves you can again put it in boiling water, take the steam of that, especially neem and ginger. You take the neem leaves and ginger, you pound it and put it into the boiling water, and you just take that steam. It is amazing. The throat, whatever cough or anything that you feel in your throat, immediately vanishes. And I have tried that also. And then you can add eucalyptus oil for the plain water, 2 drops, and you can steam with this. And you can take, if you like Bach flower remedies, if you are a fan of it, you can use 2 drops of rescue remedy in the water, and you can inhale that also. Has a relaxing and soothing effect. Okay, because Bach flower remedies are amazing. And then this is my Jaladibam water, which I personally use. This is like gold water for me. I use it in mopping, I use it in taking shower, and I use it in put a little bit into the steam water that is boiling for steam, and you take steam with this. This has a this is a gold energy. So I use this. If you want to see the complete video about Jaladibam, it is there in my link also. You can check it out. And I think couple of things only. All these small things if we follow, and people when going outside, as I said, if you follow your sanitization, masking, and social distancing, I think we can eradicate this in no time. Keep our people safe. Keep ourselves safe and keep our people safe, and you spread the things that what you do to others also, so that they follow. Every household follows. We are safe. At least knowingly we should not be careless. These are all things that is given by nature to us. Actually, prevention is better than cure. You will actually cure your people at home itself. So let us believe in God. Let us believe in the Supreme. Let us do what is possible from our side. Keep our people safe. Keep our near and dear ones. Stay safe, stay home. Unnecessarily don't go outside if it is not needed. Some time that we are going through the shift, it will pass. This phase also will pass. So let's be positive. I think this video would be of some use. If you people have something to share, please do share, so that it can reach people. Everybody can follow. Thank you. This is Prema signing off from DSS with you once again. Bye bye. Stay safe. Take care.